In this video, we're gonna talk about 7 logo design software. They each have different tools and features. Also, they vary in their workflow and learning curve, but they are all suitable for beginners. Number 7, Logo Design Studio Pro. This is a logo maker platform from SummitSoft. It is such an easy tool to use for creating logos. Also, it was a top-selling software for 2 decades because of the simplicity of it, plus the amazing logos that have been created using it. The software is compatible with desktop. In addition to that, it is browser-based. Logo Design Studio Pro does not require any previous experience. It offers you a range of different graphic elements that you can choose from. It comes with more than 2,000 templates and 6,000 graphics, shapes, and fonts. In addition to that, all the assets are customized. You can manipulate the layouts and templates, change colors, edit styles, and more. Logo Design Studio has different effects, gradients, logo shadow, glow, blur, and other things. The editor is vector-based and produces logos with high clarity and sharpness. However, Logo Design Studio Pro can be limited to some design capabilities, but when it comes to beginners, this software is a very powerful tool. Overall, this software is not free, but you can have it for one payment for $50. Number 6, Inkscape. Inkscape is an open source graphic design tool. This is not the easiest software for beginners, but it is perfect for logo design. It has many powerful features, allowing you to easily manipulate elements in order to create outstanding logos that will communicate with brands professionally or for your own personal use. Inkscape is vector-based, which is extremely demanded in logo design. It makes the resizing and scaling of the logos possible without any loss of quality. It comes with a range of tools in a very intuitive workspace, making it one of the most effective software for beginners and professionals. It is a free logo maker with many tools, such as the ability to add in different text and modifying them, color palettes, and much more. It also has many other tools such as fill, stroke, gradients, effects, color modes, transparency, and more. If you are looking for a free and open source logo maker, then Inkscape can be very helpful for you. The community behind it is very active as well, so you can easily find resources and video tutorials on it online, in addition to a lot of courses as well. Number 5, Tailor Brands. This is a minimal and free logo maker. This tool was created to help small businesses create their own brands, even with no design skills or previous logo experience. Tailor Brands is easy to use with a sequence of questions to result in a clear and professional logo based on your answers. It comes with many professional templates, beautiful fonts, and outstanding pre-designed elements and icons. It is free to use and download the logo once you're done, but only with low resolution, which is suitable for websites and social media. To download the logo with high resolution like vector file, you need to pay up to $4 for the basic plan and $6 for the standard plan and $13 for the premium plan. Along with the logo design, Tailor Brands also offers you the ability to design other graphics like business cards, social media posts, and other things, matching them with your design logo. It has the power to simplify the design process and make it super easy. However, it is limited to those who need more design capabilities and far more advanced tools. Number 4, Design Hill. This is an online logo maker for quickly creating awesome logos. It is very suitable for beginners, and anyone can use it to create stunning logos with no design skills at all. Design Hill is powered by the artificial intelligence. To design your logo, you are required to provide some information about your brand, like the business name, type, nature, color palette, symbols, icons, and so on. Then the editor will generate plenty of professional options to choose from. It will display them on real objects such as business cards, etc. This is the case to see how the logo will look to the end user. The suggested logos are then customized. You can edit colors, shapes, and sizes. Overall, Design Hill is great to make the process of designing a logo easy and simple. However, to download the file, you need to pay $20 for the low resolution or $65 for the high resolution. Number 3, Adobe Illustrator. It is one of the most professional logo design software for both professionals and beginners because it offers great and advanced tools and high level of control over designing. In addition to that, it is beginner friendly. Illustrator is full of features that will simplify the design process for you. Besides, it has a bunch of useful features when it comes to logo design. With this software, you are able to import scanned sketches to base your designs on them. This feature is extremely handy since most designers start sketching their ideas on paper, then transform them into digital designs. The software comes with many drawing tools such as brushes, shapes, pen tool, path tools, and more. You can add text with more than 16,000 fonts, and you can choose from many pre-designed templates and vectors. Other tools that will make the visual design more precise are the grids that will help you master perspective, depth, and distance. The pixel grid is a magical tool to perfectly align objects. Coloring in Illustrator is one of the most fun things to do. You can add beautiful gradients that interact with objects, in addition to gradients that can be added to strokes as well. Other powerful and handy tools to mention for logo design within Illustrator are layers, effects, live painting, and so on. Illustrator produces vectors, so you don't have to worry about scaling and resizing your logos. This is very important, and logo designers use this while making their logos for different purposes or platforms such as websites, social media, etc. Overall, using Illustrator is totally worth it. Some might argue that Illustrator is only for professionals, but if you are willing to have a career or at least do something serious in logo design or graphic design in general, then learning Illustrator is the right thing to do. Besides, it is not that super hard. Its UI is quite intuitive and well designed. In addition to that, there are plenty of video tutorials on YouTube, in addition to online courses to learn efficiently. Number 2. Hatchful. Hatchful is a free logo maker from Shopify, the e-commerce platform. It works on iOS and Android devices, and it is available for desktop as well. It is one of the easiest tools for creating logos with an extremely friendly interface. It is very simple to use, especially for beginners. Therefore, if you have no experience with logo design, this software is for you for making logos on the go. It can help you create professional, clean, and high quality and accurate logos with a huge number of templates with no previous skills required. It uses AI for creating logos, and all you have to do is providing some input like which category, style, business name, and where the logo is gonna be used, like social media platforms for example. Then with the use of machine learning, Hatch will generate hundreds of logo suggestions. From different logo variations, you can choose and customize any design. You can change the colors, palettes, fonts, icons, layouts, and more. Once you are satisfied with your logo, you can download it for free with high resolution. In addition to that, if you would like to update to the premium version, you can do this with $9. Number 1. Canva. This is a graphic design web-based tool that you can use on any browser. It is super easy to use and very suitable for beginners. It is a drag and drop editor to create many types of graphics including logos, and it has a free logo maker with advanced features. Canva is intended for professionals as well as non-designers and beginners. It has a simple UI and produces high quality graphics that will stand out beautifully. It allows you to edit a logo sample, such as changing the arrangement of elements the way you like. And you are able to edit fonts and icons, and it has many templates as well. Not only that, with Canva you can bring your own design as logo elements. It will give you important options to incorporate your own graphics instead of the pre-designed ones. It offers you a huge number of illustrations and graphics for free. Besides, you are able to switch to the premium version for more stunning resources. Moreover, Canva Logo Maker has animation options, which means you can make a logo animation for intros and so on. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.